Hello guys, and welcome to another market update video. Today we're gonna talk out the usual, talk about Bitcoin as always, as we love. And today I've taken a few trades, I have to say. Shared in my community a few of them, and I took one loss, and I took a few TP1s, and I took one full target today. So it was both losses and wins, but ended the day in good profits. That's how we use risk management properly. And that's really fun when you get used to it and get to know it in the real world. So my first trade idea today was this naked VWAP, and we got a good reaction. But for me, I was super close to getting secured both trades. I never secure trades below 1 to 5 risk reward when I share a trade. If I take a trade on my own, I can do it sometimes, but I'm usually not a fan because I want a trade to at least pay for one loss, including fees, slippage, everything. And I can show you a few of the trades I took today. The first one I shared was this one. It was up 1.3 R, but I would like to see 1.5 to 2 R. So this and the stop loss, that's just the way it is. On the lows, we saw some nice signals. We saw, as you can see here, price getting lower with momentum and money flow getting higher. Bullish divergence. And that's something I love to see on the lows. And I took this long trade. The entry was really good. Shared beforehand, of course. And we was up 1.3, but couldn't secure it. Wasn't enough RR for me. And I'd rather take a loss, because I'm happy to take a loss because I use real risk management. But I also took another trade on this zone. And that was this trade. So that I took one TP here and secured a trade and ended up in TP1, then stop loss. So all in all, around break even on these trades. I also took a few other trades. I took this trade, long trade. Took TP1, then stop loss, around 1.5 R after everything. And I also took this trade, which was pretty much my best trade for today. Hit full target. Extremely fun. Took 3 parcels, secured the risk just on the first one, a little bit on the second one, and fully closed on the single print end. I'm going to show you the single print. This was the single print. Took some profits on the single print start, and then the single print end was the full target, which also confluent with VWAP, acted as resistance, which worked really well. That was my main trades for today. I'm going to just remove a bunch of this mess, just to keep it real simple for you guys. So for now, we're holding the session VWAP as resistance, as usual. I love to take some profits on the VWAP. I took this in this case as well. For my next major trading zones, I don't really have anything right here. We have this poor high to the upside, which may get a swing failure pattern if we test it, which is an interest zone for me. After that, pretty much this zone to the upside, because we have selling tails. We have highs, major highs up here with the naked weekly VWAP as resistance. To the downside, we still have this key zone below, lower band, intraday buy tail, day level, and some lows. This may still be a good long zone. We also have golden pocket on the bigger time frames. After that, my best long zone would be to fake out this low, even take the monthly level, and then look for a long trade. Also taking this loss. That's pretty much the zones I'm watching for the short term. I'm going to drop a video tomorrow a little bit earlier, maybe before New York, what I'm watching for the day. And I'm also going to watch, of course, share some setups on Twitter. I didn't see anything I want to share that was extremely major today, so I just waited later. But I shared the zones in the video I shared beforehand, the day before anyways. Let's take a quick look at the higher time frame trade and the chart, which you can see I shared this zone, worked really well. And the next key zone below is here in my opinion. Above remains interesting to me. This golden pocket with anchor VWAP resistance. And we also have, in my opinion, some pretty good resistance up around 68k. Looking at day levels, we don't really have anything just there. 12 hours. And we can pretty much just call this a zone, in my opinion. Let's call it a zone. We have, let's see, a 4 hour, and we also have this upper band with highs, so this may absolutely be some resistance to the upside, in my opinion. I'm calling this a little bit bigger zone maybe, which may be a good idea to watch for reaction. This is my key short-term zones. Looking for long here may still be a good idea, but if you break down for a major trade, I'm waiting for this blue zone to get hit. Anyways, that was my quick and simple market update for today. If you want to join my group, link in description, and I have massive bonuses on Kcex and Weex right now. Links in the description. Really advise you all to check it out and trade and get your bonuses yourself. It's pretty much free rewards, extremely good. And if you want to secure place to trade, check out BloFin in the bio. A great place to trade. I trade there very much myself. After all that, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I'll drop a new video tomorrow, a little bit earlier. Stay tuned for that. For now, have a great week. Remember good risk management. And I'll